27 amazing health benefits of holy basil tea. Boost your immune system. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, tulsi and thulsi. It contains vitamin C, zinc, calcium, chlorophyll. 27 amazing health benefits of holy basil tea. Boost your immune system. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidants, antiviral, analgesic, natural painkiller, improves blood pressure levels, treats bad cholesterol, improves memory, treats diabetes, fights infections, heals tissue damage, promotes a healthy heart, helps to reduce stress, helps to reduce anxiety, maintains normal liver function, treats bronchitis, treats diarrhea, treats acne, treats nausea, treats vomiting, treats eczema, treats stomach ulcer, treats eye diseases, increases metabolism, improves sleep, treats mouth ulcers. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.